Hello and good morning. Welcome. Want to talk to you today about what I'm working on. I am going to introduce you to the SL600, the purpose-built track car. We'll talk through a little bit about what the plan is for this morning. I'll introduce you to what it is, what I've done to the car, and specifically today, I'm looking at upgrading the brakes from standard steel rotors to a carbon ceramic rotor. Very large 394 millimeter carbon ceramics. I'll walk you through the whys. And so anyway, let me just get started. So this is the car. This is the 2004 SL600. It has the V12 bi-turbo. It has been completely modified on the inside and a lot of the interior removed. Racing seats, exhaust, lithium batteries, transmission pan, a deeper one for a higher capacity, large 20-inch wheels, AMG brake kit, and specifically to the engine, it has a tune, it has a larger intercooler heat exchanger, and it has larger turbos with billet wheels. So those are the main upgrades. I've heat wrapped and done a lot of upgrades to the exhaust to keep the engine bay temperatures down. And so what I'm doing today, as you can see, the wheel is off. We have performed the full wheel delete. And so what we're looking at here is just a standard steel rotor, two-piece, 390 millimeter. And what I intend to upgrade this morning, as you can see I've already done on this side, is an upgrade to 395 millimeter, or 94 rather, carbon ceramic custom built rotors. So it'll utilize the same caliper, Brembo, and so on this side, I'll show you, it will look like the other side. So one of the key benefits, besides the carbon ceramic, is weight reduction, which I'll take you through over here. So these are some of the other prototypes I'm working on for the other car, the white Mercedes over here, SL65 AMG. So the main benefit, as you can see here, hopefully you can see this, is here's one of the rotors on a scale, and it shows 13.7 ounces. I'm going to remove this one, and I will put the standard steel rotor on. Oh, so heavy. There you go. 29.2. So as you can see, it's a significant weight savings, number one. Number two, there'll be a lot less brake fade. So that's the plan, is reduce more weight, reduce the risk of brake fade, and so I'm going to get started.
A few moments later.
Okay, so finally got the second rotor put on the front of the car, and so I'll turn the camera around so you can see it. So here she is, finally done. Just got to lower the jacks and torque the wheels. Take a look. Full carbon fiber rotors on the SL. All done.
Thanks for watching our videos. Hope you like them. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have time, go check us out on other social medias to see what's going on.